Meaning of dunnock.
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 dunnock,
Dunnock. A dunnock is a small passerine bird found in Europe and Western Asia. It is also known by other names such as hedge sparrow, dicky bird, or hedge warbler. These birds are primarily brown or gray in color with streaky plumage and a thin beak. They are often found in hedgerows and gardens, where they feed on insects and seeds. Dunnocks are known for their promiscuous mating behavior, with both males and females mating with multiple partners during breeding season. Despite being relatively common, dunnocks tend to go unnoticed due to their quiet and unobtrusive nature.